So this is my audience. So in the United States, heart disease is the leading cause of death. And I want you to imagine a world where heart disease is reduced and people are living healthier and longer lives. I want to introduce you to what my major is and what I'm studying at Northern Arizona University and how I can combine my love of research and helping people in the community with a degree in public health. And what I learned at my time in the public health department is about how I can grow in a career from public health education into program evaluation. So here you can see happy, healthy fish swimming in a river. And at the bottom of the river, there are fish getting sick. And what we do in public health is we look at why that's happening. So up the stream, and this is called the upstream approach in public health. So we have a cause and we have outcomes. So here you can see more sick fish going to the hospital. What public health programs do are we look in this part of the river to see why things are happening and how to prevent them from spreading. So here we can implement vaccines, interventions, health education on how to prevent yourself from going to the hospital. And we can also go as far as to having a stop of the spread of disease or the contamination in this case in the first place. So this is a utopian society. What public health aims to do is we look at neighborhood and built environment, social and community support, programs that look at socioeconomic status, as well as their access to healthcare. So in utopian societies, this is all taken care of. But in public health, we know that that's not always the case. And so what program evaluation does is we look at what interventions are working and how to make sure that they work. And that is the backbone to what public health is. And we want to have happy, healthy fish swimming down the river. So these are the core elements of what public health research focuses on. So with my degree in public health, I plan on strengthening communities and growing into a career field from program evaluation. Oh, sorry. I plan to grow into a career field from community education, which is where we have the programs, and I want to become the person who perfects them to make sure that they're effective rather than causing issues down the line. I want to have healthy, happy fish swimming down the river in our communities, specifically our societies. Thank you for attending my presentation, and I appreciate your time.